Why your reels get views, but no real engagement, and how to fix it. Your latest reel? 10,000 views. Nice. Then you check the comments. 3 fire emojis and a bot asking you to check DMs. Meanwhile, your competitor's 2K view video has 200 genuine comments and drove actual sales. Views don't pay bills. Engagement does. The algorithm shift nobody's talking about. Platforms aren't just counting likes anymore. They're analyzing how people actually engage. The algorithm's asking, are people connecting or just scrolling on autopilot? What matters now? Comment depth. Love this. This exact strategy helped me land 3 clients. Saves. When someone bookmarks your content, algorithms notice. That's lasting value. Shares. Someone's putting their name on your content. That's different from a passive like. Watch completion. A 15-second tip people finish beats a 60-second video where everyone bounces at 10 seconds. What quality engagement actually looks like. Stop celebrating vanity metrics. One thread with 10 back-and-forth replies beats 50 emoji reactions. People bookmarking your tutorials matters more than passive scrolling. Shares are reputation stakes. Platforms know the difference. 5 things that actually work. 1. Start conversations. Replace "what do you think" with specific questions. Which of these 3 strategies would work for your industry? Give people something concrete to respond to. 2. Create save-worthy content. Templates, step-by-step processes, resource lists, anything people want to reference later. 3. Share your failures. Vulnerability drives engagement. Share what didn't work and why. People relate and comment with their own struggles. 4. Use problem-solution proof. Relatable problem, your solution. Proof it works. This structure naturally sparks conversation. 5. Respond like you mean it. Match their energy. Don't just say, "Thanks." Acknowledge their point and add value. Measuring what actually matters. Track these. Comments per view, 2 to 5% on quality content. Save rate, 1 to 3% shows value. Share to view, even 0.5% means resonance. Comment threads, multiple replies equals community. Your analytics should show connection, not just consumption. The content that builds communities. Quality engagement isn't about going viral. Educational tutorials spark questions. Behind the scenes builds relationships. Controversial but respectful takes start debates. Stop chasing trending audio. Start solving real problems. 300 engaged followers who trust you beat 3,000 passive observers. Every time. Your next move. Views stroke your ego. Engagement builds your business. Start with one genuinely helpful piece of content this week. Ask a specific question. Share a real struggle. Create something worth saving. Stop chasing views. Start building communities.